Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a very long time since I posted a video, so allow me to introduce myself. I am Karla and I'm here to share how I achieved this look. So I've been getting a lot of compliments about this wavy curl hair moment that I have, and I wanted to share with everyone how I was able to achieve this look. So in this video, I'm basically going to show you how I achieved this look. Anyway, it's really simple, it's really fun and easy, and if you continue watching, you too will learn how to achieve this look. Okay, as you can see, I've already done the back and some of the sides of the hair. So now I am going to finish the rest on camera so you guys can see how I was able to achieve these curls. So the only product that I'm using is the Kenra Hot Spray number 20, and I'll put a link down below for you. And the curling iron that I'm using, I always forget the size, but I'll put the size in the description down below, but it's a Hot Tools. So the hair, after you have your section off that you're going to curl. Also I have a spray bottle that I put my Kenra spray in because this pump sticks a lot. So I love the product, hate the pump. So anyway, so for this curl, I am going to curl away from the face, and you wrap the hair around the barrel like so. And it's almost as if you're gonna do a Shirley Temple curl, but what you do is you take the hair off of the barrel and pull, come down. Take the hair off of the barrel and pull. And this little tip here, I don't curl this because I like the straight pieces at the bottom, so you just drag the curl down like so. And then for the next one, I am going to curl in the opposite direction. So that one I curled towards the face. This one I'm gonna curl away from the face. And you just alternate it as you go through your curls. Curl one piece one way, the other piece the other way, and you just continue to do that over and over again. Okay. So for this one, I'm going to curl away from the face, which is gonna be really weird because, wait, boom. This one I am curling towards the face. The opposite direction is my insecure curl because I'm always nervous that I'm going the wrong way, because this is not a typical way that I curl my hair, but for this look, you have to do it if you want it to look like this. And so again, you drag the curl down, like so. And so for these pieces up here, for these pieces up here, I think what I'm gonna do is, now for the very, very top, definitely, well, not just the top, but for the sides, like these sides right here. And for the very top, I'm definitely gonna curl away from my face because, you know, it just looks better, you know, it just looks better. So these pieces here, or shall I say this piece, which is a fairly large piece of hair, which is okay because you're gonna pull the curls apart anyway. So for this one, I'm going to curl towards the face. And then that last little section I just showed you, I'm gonna curl that baby away from the face. You know what I'm saying? Like so. Oh, okay, there we go. And then these last two pieces. So again, I'm gonna curl these last two pieces. Oh no, away from the face, yikes. Okay, pull it out and turn. Pull it out and pull, like so. All right, and then I'm gonna take this last piece. I am gonna get this out of my face. Okay, so this last piece, I'm gonna separate it actually and do the top part, the bottom part first and the top part last. Because I really want these pieces to fall, you know, really cute in my face. So I'm gonna curl it like this. And turn it around and drag. Turn it around and drag. And basically, guys, that's it. You just do that throughout the whole head and you can get this look, which in my opinion, is really easy. And I think it's really cute. I always wondered how those girls are able to do that. For this one, I'm gonna drag it down a little bit further and start my curl at the bottom, just so I can have a swoopable moment. Cause y'all know I love a swoopable moment. And then just drag it out like that. Okay, so these are curled, and basically what I do from here, I just pull those puppies apart, and as you can see, they pretty much do their own thing. Pull them apart, and for this, as you can see, and then there we are. Yes. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. So I'll show you again on this side for those of you who need that second look. Let's see. All right, guys, so that is how I curled it. And so you can take your fingers or a comb. I like to use my fingers. I have long nails, so these serve as my comb, and tug my wig a little bit. And this is the end result. The messy, wavy, I don't know, fun, light hair look. So I hope I was able to help someone with this tutorial. If you like what you saw, please like the video, make a comment down below, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and I will be bringing you more videos in the near future. And thank you for watching.